This is Cairo for CairosTechTrends.
Hi, my name is Kennedy Dumas. I am 17 years old from Atlanta, Georgia. I have my own notebook company called Stationery Black. If you guys would like to support me, you can follow me at Stationery Black on IG. It is StationeryBlack. My notebook company, Stationery Black, is all about inspiring and uplifting Black people as a whole. I have illustrative books that do that, and I also will come out with self-wellness books in the future with quotes and just for inspiration when you're down, you pick up your notebook and you feel good about yourself. Okay. StationeryBlack.